This is the 2025 Jaecoo J8, a bold new face in the world of luxury SUVs. Right from the front, you're greeted by an aggressive yet refined design. Look at those bold, oversized grilles, they're not just for show. The grilles are seamlessly integrated with sleek LED daytime running lights, which not only enhance visibility but add a futuristic touch to the SUV's front fascia. Flowing effortlessly into the grille, the LED lights create a cohesive and commanding front-end presence. It's that kind of attention to detail that shows Jaecoo means business. Now let's dive into that robust front bumper. Sculpted with impressive precision, it immediately grabs attention with its bold, chiseled design. The contours are not just aesthetic, they communicate strength and capability. Its muscular form evokes a sense of readiness, like it's built to take on any terrain without hesitation. Look closely, and you'll notice how the bumper integrates rugged skid plates and aerodynamic elements. These aren't just design flourishes, they hint at the Jaecoo J8 serious off-road DNA, while also contributing to its overall urban sophistication. The 2025 Jaecoo J8 rides on massive, intricately designed alloy wheels that command attention. These aren't just for looks, they're built for performance. The side mirrors, sleek, aerodynamic, and beautifully integrated into the vehicle's design. They're not just functional, they're a style statement. Then there are the pull-out door handles, a touch of modern luxury that instantly elevates the SUV's presence. The rear view is just as impressive as the front, balancing ruggedness with sophistication. The taillight design is one of the highlights here, sleek, modern, and incredibly detailed. It features a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate, seamlessly connecting both tail lamps and giving the J8 a wide, commanding presence on the road. Each lighting element is finely crafted, with crisp illumination that looks just as good during the day as it does at night. It's futuristic, eye-catching, and unmistakably premium, giving off serious luxury SUV vibes. The tailgate itself is clean and well sculpted, with subtle curves that flow naturally from the sides. The integrated roof spoiler adds a sporty touch, while the lower bumper, complete with faux or real exhaust tips and a skid plate finish, hints again at the J8's adventurous character. The rear bumper of the 2025 Jaecoo J8 is another standout feature, perfectly blending into the overall rear design with a seamless, high-end finish. It's sculpted to match the SUV's bold and dynamic profile, yet refined enough to maintain that premium look. What's impressive is how Jaecoo integrates technology into the design. The bumper is lined with parking sensors that are subtly embedded around it, maintaining a clean aesthetic while offering crucial functionality. This is the trunk of the 2025 Jaecoo J8. And just like the rest of the vehicle, it delivers in both form and function. It's incredibly spacious and thoughtfully designed, offering more than enough room for your everyday needs, weekend getaways, or full-on adventure gear. Whether you're loading up groceries, suitcases, or outdoor equipment, the wide-opening tailgate and low loading height make access smooth and effortless. The flat floor design ensures maximum usability, and if you need even more space, the rear seats fold down easily to create an extended cargo area, perfect for longer items or bulkier loads. The interior of the trunk is also finished beautifully, with soft-touch materials and clever storage compartments that keep things organized and secure. You may even find features like a power liftgate or hands-free opening, depending on the trim, adding that extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. The 2025 Jaecoo J8 is truly a great choice. It strikes the perfect balance between luxury, technology, and rugged versatility. From its bold exterior design and smart features like pull-out door handles and full LED lighting, to its spacious, well-appointed interior and practical cargo space, the J8 is built to impress at every angle. Step inside the 2025 Jaecoo J8, and you're instantly surrounded by an interior that's refined, functional, and incredibly detailed. With the door panels, beautifully crafted and layered with quality materials that reflect Jaecoo's focus on luxury. You'll find the premium experience Sony speakers integrated into the panel, delivering crisp, immersive sound that transforms your drive into a private concert. Now, shift your attention to the driver's seat, and here's where the comfort truly shines. It comes equipped with multiple power adjustment options, allowing you to fine-tune your seating position with precision. Whether it's adjusting the lumbar support, seat height, or recline angle, Jaecoo ensures that every driver finds their perfect fit. And then there's the seat craftsmanship, truly a highlight of the 2025 Jaecoo J8. The seats are upholstered in pure black leather, giving the cabin a bold, upscale feel. But what really sets them apart is the fine white contrast stitching, meticulously done to add a touch of sophistication and visual flair. The center armrest isn't just there for comfort, it doubles as a storage compartment, giving you a secure space to tuck away small items like your phone, wallet, or other personal essentials. Integrated into the armrest console are intuitive control features, and of course, a built-in cup holder is right there where you need it, perfectly placed to keep your beverage steady and accessible. Now let's talk about the dashboard, and this is where the 2025 Jaecoo J8 truly flexes its futuristic appeal. The dashboard layout is sleek, modern, and beautifully symmetrical, wrapping around the driver and front passenger with a sense of sophistication and high-tech refinement. At the heart of it all is a wide digital display that stretches seamlessly across the instrument cluster and infotainment screen, merging functionality with futuristic design. The digital display is sharp, responsive, and packed with information. From navigation to vehicle settings, media controls, and driver assistance features, everything is presented in a clear and intuitive format. It gives the cabin a tech-forward feel that rivals some of the top luxury SUVs on the market. Complementing the screen are sleek design elements, like soft-touch materials, brushed metal trims, and possibly ambient lighting strips that glow subtly at night, creating an atmosphere that's both inviting and advanced. It's the kind of cockpit that makes you feel like you're not just driving a vehicle, you're piloting a premium, intelligent machine. The driver's seat in the 2025 Jaecoo J8 offers excellent legroom, ensuring a comfortable driving position no matter your height. There's plenty of space to stretch out, which is especially appreciated on long journeys or during city traffic. The seating position is commanding, giving you a clear view of the road while maintaining that luxury lounge feel. The front interior of the Jaecoo J8 is calm and relaxing, thanks to the clever blend of premium materials, ambient lighting, and thoughtful design. From the soft-touch dashboard to the ergonomic layout of the controls, every element feels purpose-built for comfort and serenity. It's quiet, refined, and isolates you from the noise and chaos of the outside world. Whether you're heading to work or escaping for the weekend, the front cabin feels like a sanctuary, a perfect mix of luxury and peace. Beyond the steering wheel, every control in the 2025 Jaecoo J8 is purposefully placed for maximum convenience. Whether it's the climate controls, drive modes, infotainment settings, or ambient lighting adjustments, everything is intuitive and within reach. The layout feels natural, allowing you to focus on the road while still enjoying full command of the vehicle's features. It's clear that Jaecoo designed the J8 with the driver in mind, prioritizing ease of use, safety, and a seamless driving experience. From the overhead control panel, you can open the panoramic sunroof with just a single click of a button. It's effortless, elegant, and adds a whole new dimension to the driving experience. With the roof retracted, natural light floods the cabin, creating an open, airy atmosphere that makes every drive feel special, whether you're cruising through the city or out on the open road. The 2025 Jaecoo J8 isn't just about bold design, it's engineered for every kind of terrain and lifestyle. With just a twist of the dial, you can instantly adapt the J8 to your environment thanks to its intelligent drive mode selector. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rugged landscapes, there's a perfect setting for every scenario. Normal mode delivers a smooth, balanced ride ideal for daily driving. Switch to sport mode, and the J8 sharpens its throttle response and steering dynamics. Heading into winter. Snow mode ensures better traction. For the adventurers, mud and sand modes optimize power distribution and traction. Off-road mode enhances ground clearance and grip. And eco mode fine-tunes the engine for optimal mileage. Inside the 2025 Jaecoo J8, and you're instantly surrounded by comfort, customization, and cutting-edge tech. The cabin is designed with you in mind. The seats are fully adjustable, with options to fine-tune lumbar support, height, recline, and even heating or ventilation. Whether you're setting up for a long road trip or just a quick city drive, you can store your preferences. You can easily adjust the airflow through the intelligent climate control system, not just for the whole cabin, but individually for different zones, ensuring every occupant enjoys their ideal temperature. This attention to detail creates a personalized driving experience that feels more like a luxury lounge on wheels. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying every moment along the way. And that's just the beginning. There are so many other settings and features in the 2025 Jaecoo J8 waiting to be explored. The J8 gives you full control over your driving environment. You can tweak vehicle settings like steering feel, suspension stiffness. Moving to the rear interior of the 2025 Jaecoo J8, the attention to detail continues effortlessly. The door panels are a standout feature, neatly designed and finely stitched. They exude a sense of craftsmanship that's rare at this level. The combination of premium materials, contrast stitching, and sleek trim accents gives the rear cabin a luxurious, upscale feel. Passengers in the back aren't just along for the ride, they're treated to comfort and elegance. The rear windows come equipped with built-in sun blinds. Whether you're shielding yourself from the sun or just enjoying a bit more seclusion, these blinds offer an added layer of luxury and convenience, perfect for relaxing on the go. The rear seats of the 2025 Jaecoo J8. First off, space is generous. Whether you're carrying adults or kids, there's plenty of legroom and headroom to stretch out and relax. The seats are beautifully stitched, showcasing the same level of craftsmanship found throughout the cabin. Soft yet supportive, they're designed to keep passengers comfortable even on longer journeys. In the center, you'll find a fold-down armrest that adds both comfort and convenience. It features built-in cup holders, making it easy for passengers to enjoy drinks without any hassle, ideal for road trips or even just the daily commute. And to keep everyone cool and comfortable, the rear passengers are treated to dedicated air conditioning vents, ensuring that climate control isn't just a front-row privilege. No matter the weather, every seat in the Jaecoo J8 is a good seat. From the rear seats, the view of the dashboard is both cozy and stunning. The way the cabin is laid out gives you a true appreciation for the design language of the 2025 Jaecoo J8. The dashboard is sleek, sharp, and minimalist, with clean lines and a clutter-free arrangement that makes the interior feel modern and premium. The floating touchscreen display, ambient lighting accents, and smooth integration of materials give off a refined, almost lounge-like atmosphere. From any angle, front or back, the interior feels thoughtfully designed, with an emphasis on elegance and user comfort. Whether you're the one behind the wheel or simply enjoying the ride, the Jaecoo J8's cabin wraps you in an environment that's both visually appealing and incredibly relaxing. The rear seats of the 2025 Jaecoo J8 are both cozy and stunning. From the moment you sit down, you're welcomed by a plush, well-contoured seat design that wraps you in comfort. The high-quality stitching, soft-touch materials, and supportive cushioning all come together to create a space that feels more like a lounge than the back of an SUV. Comfort isn't just reserved for the driver. The front passenger in the 2025 Jaecoo J8 is treated to plenty of legroom, making long drives feel effortless. Whether you're navigating through the city or cruising on the highway, the spacious front cabin ensures that both driver and passenger enjoy a relaxed and open feel. The seat is ergonomically designed, with soft cushioning and refined stitching, giving it a premium touch while supporting your posture. It's yet another reminder that the Jaecoo J8 is built not just to move you, but to pamper you, every seat, every ride. The ambience is further elevated by the sleek design lines, ambient lighting, and the generous legroom that gives passengers the freedom to truly relax. Whether you're on a quick city ride or a long-distance journey, the rear seats deliver a premium, first-class experience that leaves a lasting impression. Every detail inside the 2025 Jaecoo J8 reflects exceptional craftsmanship and thoughtful design, particularly the armrest console, the dashboard, the infotainment system, and the seats. Both front and rear armrests are not only well cushioned and ergonomically positioned for maximum comfort, but also incredibly practical. With integrated storage compartments and cup holders, they perfectly balance form and function, adding to the sense of refinement throughout the cabin. And then, there are the seats, an absolute standout. With their detailed stitching, premium upholstery, and thoughtfully contoured design, the seating offers both comfort and sophistication. Whether you're sitting up front or relaxing in the back, the Jaecoo J8 provides a first-class experience that rivals far more expensive luxury SUVs. In every corner of the cabin, the 2025 Jaecoo J8 showcases a commitment to quality, style, and comfort, making it a vehicle you won't just drive, you'll truly enjoy being in, every single time. And that brings us to the end of our tour of the 2025 Jaecoo J8. Thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed this walk around, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.